This is Mike.
Howdy.
Mike's company recently installed Verizon Connect integrated video into all their vehicles.
Easy peasy.
And this is Kate.
Hi there.
Kate manages her drivers like a finely tuned watch, thanks to the seamless connection between integrated video and the Verizon Connect platform. Now, if something happens on the road, Kate can see HD video of just the incident within moments of it happening. No need to sift through hours of footage.
Huge time saver.
And Mike's got one less thing to worry about because he and Kate know there's less concern of liability or unsafe driving.
Nice.
At least on his part.
Turn right.
Whoa! Learn how to drive, bro!
Notifications and videos can be viewed from any compatible device to make sure your team is on top of every situation.
Mike, you okay?
Did you see that kid?
Just keep driving defensively. You never know what maniac is out on the road.
You got it. Just finished my last job, headed back to the office.
With Verizon Connect integrated video, your whole operation has eyes on the road, so you can coach your drivers and protect your business against liability claims.
Oh, hey Mike, have you met my son Wesley?
Nope.